The letter X. X stands for X-ray. The X-ray fish went to Xanadu with Xavier. Ready to write? Let's get started with proper posture. Feet on the floor. Sit up straight. Remember to use the tripod grip. Here's how you hold your pencil if you're right-handed. And if you're left-handed, you need to grip the pencil just a little higher from the point so you can see what you've written. If you're right-handed, position your paper with the right side slanted up slightly. If you're left-handed, slant the left side up slightly. Let's write a lowercase x. Put your pencil on the baseline and curve up right to the dotted line, making a hump. Curve right along the dotted line and then down to the baseline. Then curve back up to the right, ending with a smile. Now pick up your pencil and put it on the dotted line to the right of the hump. Draw a diagonal line down to the left, crossing your X and ending on the baseline. Write the letter X in the air. Let's practice. Now let's write an uppercase X. Put your pencil just below the top line. Curve up to the top line, making a hump. Then slant down to the right and end with a smile at the baseline. Now, pick up your pencil and put it on the top line to the right of the hump. Draw a diagonal line down to the left, crossing your X at the dotted line and ending it on the baseline. Write the letter X in the air. Let's practice. You can connect X with its smile. Let's write the word xeric. Xeric is an adjective that means adapted to dry conditions, like a cactus is adapted to the desert. Have fun practicing your new cursive writing skills.